Hello students, I am Pushparaj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Basic Science Department from Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. I am going to present a presentation on topic normal form of matrix. Normal form or canonical form is actually if we have a matrix A equal to Aij m cross n be any matrix of order m cross n, and if rank of matrix is R, then the following form: first IR, second IR 0, third IR upon 0, fourth form, this are called normal form of matrix A, where IR is a unit matrix of order R and 0 is called a zero matrix of any order. Simply, we can reduce every matrix in normal or canonical form by using row and column operations. Question number first, find the rank of matrix A equal to 2 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 2 4 minus 3. Given matrix is A equal to this 2 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 2 4 minus 3. Now applying C1 is changed by C1 by 2, means we divide 2 of every elements of column first. We have column first will be 1 0 1 and second column is 1 3 4 and third is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now applying R3 changes by R3 minus R1. A is converted to A 1 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 0 3 minus 2. Now again applying C1 changes by C2 minus C1, C2 changes by C2 minus C1 and C3 changes by C3 plus C1. We have matrix 1 0 0 0 3 minus 2 0 3 minus 2. Now again applying R3 changes by R3 minus R2. A can be transformed into A 1 0 0 0 3 minus 2 0 0 0. In position of 2 2 we have also make 1 here. Now change for applying C2 changes by C2 by 3 and C3 changes by C3 by minus 2. Then A can be converted in form of A 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Again applying C3 changes by C3 minus C2. Then after convert A becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Since we have 1 in principal diagonal in two places, first position A11 and second is A22, that is convert in form of I2, that is A can be written as I2 0 0 0. This is the required normal form of matrix and rank of A equal to 2 here, because we have matrix unit matrix I2, means order of matrix is 2, hence row of A is 2. Come to next question. Find rank and nullity of the following matrix by reducing it to be normal form. We have given matrix A is 1 1 2 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 1. Consider it is A. Now applying R2 changes by R2 minus R1. A can be converted into 1 1 2 1 2 1 1. Second row will be 0 1 1 and third row is 0 minus 1 minus 1. Now applying column operation, C2 changes by C2 minus C1 and C3 changes by C3 minus 2 C1. that A is converted into A becomes 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1. Applying R3 changes by R3 plus R2, we have A converted into 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Again applying C3 changes by C3 minus C2, then converted form of A is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Again here we have 2 1 in principal diagonal. It can be written as I2 0 0 0. Clearly this is required normal form, and the rank of matrix A is 2. That is, we have also no matrix can be written as row of A, that is row of A equal to 2. Nullity of matrix N is defined by order of square matrix minus rank of matrix. We have order of matrix is 3 because matrix is 3 by 3. The order of matrix is 3, that is nullity of A equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. These are the problem. Students, improve yourself. Find the rank of the following matrix using normal form. This is first problem, second problem and third problem. Thank you students for listening.